Okay, so good afternoon, students. So today, in anatomy practical class, I will show you some specimen. You have to name it and you have to say something about the specimen which is shown in the screen. So, the first one I'll ask you, Jondeep. Can you hear me, Jondeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you choose any one from this screen. Uh, I'll show you. This is one, two, uh, three. This is four. Huh? This is four. This is five. This is six. So which one? Which one will you say? Six specimens are there. I'll show you
Yes, ma'am.
again. This is one. Huh. So please see carefully. This is one. This is two. This is three. Four. Five. Six. Which one? Which one are you confident to say?
Specimen 1, ma'am.
Specimen one. Okay. Okay. What is the name of the specimen one?
Brain.
Brain. Okay. You say something about brain then.
It has one frontal lobe and two parietal lobes.
Can you please say, before entering the lobes, can you please say about the parts of the brain?
Midbrain, hindbrain, forebrain.
The one which I taught you. Cerebrum, all this, I taught you or not?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you please name
Cerebellum, hypothalamus,
it? Diencephalon.
diencephalon,
Okay. The brain stem. It's not it. Cerebellum. Yes, don't it? Okay. Okay. Now you say about the lobes. The lobes.
um, um, one frontal lobe and two parietal lobes.
And
Two parietal lobes.
okay. And
And uh,
temporal. How many temporal?
temporal lobe.
How many?
Ma'am, one.
Are you sure temporal lobe? We have one. Where is the temporal lobe? Here, here, where? Here.
Ma'am,
It's
yes.
two. Okay, then how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
we have then?
Two, ma'am.
Two. Don't forget, understand. Two.
Yes.
Okay. And you said about a frontal. You said about parietal. You said about temporal, and one is left.
Uh,
One is left. Can you say?
yeah. Uh, per-
Okay, it starts with the letter O.
peripheral.
It starts with the letter
Okay.
O. I'm giving you a hint.
Ma'am, ossicles.
Ossicles. Are you sure it's ossicles?
No, ma'am. Wait. Occipital lobe. Yes.
Occipital. How many we have occipital? Huh?
Ma'am, two. Ma'am,
Occi
one. Sorry. One.
One. Okay, you say once again, starting from parietal. Oh, sorry, starting from frontal. Frontal lobe, how many?
One. Parietal lobe, two. temporal lobe 2, occipital lobe 1.
Okay. Okay, don't forget, huh? Is it clear, Jonji?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, Tanamunu. Tanamunu, can you hear me? Okay, Bandrilin. Bandrilin, can you hear me? Bandrilin. Okay, Kajal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kajal. Same thing, just like Mandir. I will show you six specimen. You choose any six specimen and you have to say about, I mean, means the one which you have chosen. You have to say something about the specimen. So this is the one, I mean number one. This is two. This is three, four, five. Okay, okay, it's five. Okay, which one you have chosen?
Ma'am.
Wait, I'll show you again from the beginning again. One, two, three, four, and five. Which one?
Ma'am, small intestines.
Small intestine. Okay. Okay, then you say something about small intestine.
Ma'am, small intestines is a 22-foot long muscular tube.
Mm.
And ma'am, it's made up three segment: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum.
Okay. Okay, I will ask you something. In this small intestine, it comes under which system? Which system? Is it cardiovascular system? Is it reproductive system? Is it digestive system? It is excretory system? Which system?
Ma'am, digestive system.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me at least one function of small intestine?
Ma'am, function.
At least one.
Um, don't know.
Oh no. Do you have the notes with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you just see once and tell it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it with you now or is it far away from you? Huh? Is the notes with you now or is it far away from you? Yes, Kajal?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it with you now, the notes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
you see and say them.
Okay, ma'am.
You see and say.
Ma'am, duodenum is breakdown.
What breakdown?
Ma'am, jejunum and ileum is absorb nutrients.
Okay, wait. Okay, jejunum. What do they do, this jejunum? Jejunum. They helps in continuous breakdown process, is not it? Kajal?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
jejunum and ileum, what is their work? What is their function?
Absorb nutrients.
Okay. After that, and it goes to the bloodstream, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, Kintiu. Kintiu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, same
Yes,
thing,
ma'am.
you also. Same thing. I'll show you 5 specimens. You choose at least one specimen, and you have to say something about the specimen you have, which you have chosen. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which one?
Ma'am, liver.
Okay. This is specimen of liver. Okay, you say
Yes,
something
ma'am.
about liver.
Liver is large, reddish brown organ. It's situated in the right side, and it weighs about 1500 gram. In the functions of liver, it is divided into 4 lobes: the right, the left, the caudate, and the quadrate lobes. And the functions of liver helps to get absorbed food from the small intestine. Then liver secretes bile, and it helps in detoxification of harmful chemicals.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, next, Marbut. Can you hear me, Marbut? Hello, Marbut, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Marbut also same thing. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Which one? Which one will you choose? Yes, Marbut. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which one? From first to third. Oh, sorry, from first to fifth. Which one?
The small intestine also.
Yes, the small intestine is also there. Which one are
Small
you like confident to say?
Small intestine.
Small intestine. Okay, you say. Start.
What?
Huh?
I join now only. I don't understand.
No, we were discussing about the specimen, identification of the specimen. You have to identify the specimen. Then after identification of the specimen, you have to say something about that specimen. Did you get my point, Marbut?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to say something about the specimen. You have to say something about that organ. So which one will you choose? I'll show you again from the very beginning. This one. This one is the first specimen. This is the second specimen. Second, this one. Third, this one. Fourth, and fifth. Which one will you choose? From first,
I
from first to
don't
fifth.
know.
Which one are you like? Which one are you a bit sure about it? I mean, which one are you confident to say about it?
I don't know.
At least one out of this five. That day itself, I thought you hard also. So you can't say about hard. Okay, okay then. Fraki, Fraki, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fraki. Same thing, you also. So this is the first specimen, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which one will you choose? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Which one?
Um,
I'll show you again. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which one?
fifth, fifth,
Huh?
fifth.
Fifth. This one. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this? What is the name of this specimen?
Small,
Small
small
intestine.
intestine.
Okay. Say something about small intestine.
Uh, uh, i- Small intestine is the which nutrients and minerals from food take place.
What? What are you saying? Please frame the sentence like meaningful. What sentence is that? Please frame your sentence meaning. It should be meaningful.
Um, uh,
Okay. Say again.
the small intestine is an organ in the gastrointestinal tract where
I,
most of the end absorb of
intestinal.
nutrients.
You say intestinal. Intest. You say.
Gastrointestinal.
Huh. Or else you can say it comes under the digestive system. Okay. Continue.
Where tracts where most of the end absorb of nutrients and minerals from food takes place. It lies between the stomach and large intestine.
Okay. It has how many parts? Small intestine.
Um,
How many? It is divided into how many parts? 2, 3,
is
4,
divided
5, 6, 7. How many?
is divided into three parts.
Okay. Can you name them?
Uh, no, ma'am.
How many? What? How many? How many parts? Can you see this, Prakti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say now. How many?
3 parts.
Okay, name them.
Uh,
Name them. It's already in the screen.
I don't know how to pronounce them. I can't pronounce.
Duodenum, you say? Say, repeat after me.
Duodenum.
Duodenum. Jejunum.
Duodenum.
Okay, jejunum, you say?
Jejunum.
Okay, ileum. You say ileum.
Ileum.
Okay, say again.
Ileum.
Say again.
Duodenum.
Say jeju. Jejunum.
Jejunum.
No. Okay.
Ileum.
Ileum. Okay. Okay, don't forget to pronounce. Understand? It is divided into three parts. Others also please listen carefully. Duodenum, jejunum, and the ileum. So these are the three parts of the small intestine. Okay. Okay, you please see again. Understand, Prakti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next, Mari. Mari, can you hear me? Mari de Burma. Mesmin de Burma. Mesmin. Miracle.
Yes, ma'am.
Miracle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, miracle. Same thing you also. So five specimen are means it's there in the screen. So you choose one out of this five. This is the first. This is the second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which one? Which one,
Heart,
miracle?
ma'am. Heart,
Third.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the name of the specimen?
Cardiovascular system.
What is the name of this specimen? I'm saying.
Heart, ma'am.
Heart. Okay. Okay, you say something about heart.
The cardiovascular system, the cardio means heart, the vascular means blood, is divided into main parts, the heart and the blood vessel. The heart, whose pumping action ensure constant circulation of the blood. The blood vessel, which form a lengthy network through which the blood flows. The heart is roughly cone-shaped, hollow muscular organs. It is about the size of the fist of the owner. The weight of the heart, the length of the heart is 10 centimeter long, and the weight is 225 gram in women, and it is heavier in men, that is 310 gram. There are three layers of the heart wall, that is epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. The heart lies in the thoracic cavities in the um, medium
Mediastinum.
mediastinum. It is the space between the lungs. The heart
Okay.
has four
Four chambers. What are the name?
the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle.
Okay. So the heart, it is divided, I mean, the chambers. The division of the chambers is known as what?
The chamber.
Means, wait, I'll show you. So there is a division, right, in between the two chambers, right atrium as well as in the, means in the atrium side as well as in the ventricular side. It is divided in the middle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the name of that? It starts with the letter S.
Spectrum.
No, spectrum. Spectrum is not there in anatomy. Septum. Do you remember septum?
Yes, ma'am.
So the upper one will be which septum? I mean, what is the name of the septum, which is situated, means upside? Miracle? Atrial septum, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Atrial septum, it will be atrial septum. Understand? Atrium, atrial, you relate with that, it will be easy. And downside will be what? Ventricular septum, it's not it? So it will be like that. Okay. Okay, it's good. Okay, next, Nafishisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you also same thing. Which one will you choose? This is the first one. Wait. First one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which one?
And the skeleton.
Skeleton. Okay. Okay, you say?
The skeleton of the body is composed of the bones and the cartilage. Its function is that it forms a framework of the body and it protects the internal organs like the heart, the lungs, the brain. And then we have, it's divided into two, the axial and the appendicular.
Excel
In
and?
total, we have 200 appendicular skeleton, and in total we have 206 bones, where 80 bones, we have 80 axial, in the axial skeleton we have 80 bones, and in the appendicular we have 126 bones.
Okay. Start with the exoskeleton. Okay, the exoskeleton, okay, I will show you some points. I mean, I will show you some parts. You have to name it. Okay, what is this? What is the name of the bone? This one?
Frontal
No. Miss, I'm showing you everything, not only one particular thing. All.
the skull.
Okay, skull. Do you remember cranial bones?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the cranial bones, can you tell me the parts of the cranial bones?
We have the frontal, parietal, the temporal.
Okay, where is the frontal? This one is what? This one? Can you see?
Frontal bone, yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one, both sides.
Temporal.
Temporal, okay. Okay, then can you tell me the three bones present in the inner ear, inside the ear, the three bones?
The malleus, incus, and the stapes.
Okay, malleus incrustates. Okay, what is the largest and the longest bone in the human body?
femur,
Femur. Okay. Okay, good. Next, Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, same thing you also. I will show you all the specimen. Okay, this is the
Okay,
first
ma'am.
one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So which one will you choose?
Ma'am, heart.
Heart. Okay. Okay. Okay, you say something about this specimen.
Ma'am, heart comes under the cardiovascular system. It lies between its shape is cone-shaped hollow muscular organ about the size of a fist, and it lies in thoracic cavity in mediastinum.
Mediastinum means what?
Ma'am, the space between the lungs.
Okay. Okay, I'll ask you, can you name the three layers of the heart?
Three layers of the heart.
Ah, yes.
Epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me the four chambers of the heart?
Four chambers of the heart.
Yes.
Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle.
Okay. Can you tell me which side carry oxygenated and which side carries deoxygenated blood?
Deoxygenated blood is carried through right atrium and right ventricle, and oxygenated blood is carried through left atrium and left ventricle.
Are you sure? Right atrium carries what blood carries?
Yes, ma'am.
Deoxygenated. Means the right side carries deoxygenated, you were saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And left side carries?
Oxygenated.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, last. Which person? Which person? Can you hear me? Which person? Can you hear me? Okay, Gore. Gore does. Gore does. Okay, Sajarika, can you hear me? Sajarika?
Yes.
Okay, Sajarika, can you say? You choose one specimen out of this five specimen. This is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which one will you choose? Skeleton. Okay. Okay, say.
Ma'am, I have to say the definitions.
You say anything about skeleton. Means whatever you know.
Um, um, skeleton of bones is composed of the skeleton of body is composed of bones and cartilage, uh, and they are made up of
They are made of specialized connective tissue, and the skeleton has two types. One is axial skeleton and two appendicular skeleton.
Okay, total number of bones, how many do we have in the human body?
The total number of bones we have 206 bones.
206 bones, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will show you some parts. Okay, you name the parts of it. Okay, this one, this is a femur, right? And this one, can you see, Sajalika? Okay, in between these two bones, there is one bone, is not it? In between your thigh and your feet, this one leg, there is one bone. So what is the name of the bone? Can you say? Uh-huh. Hello. Uh-huh. What? Can you please type in the chat box? Actually, your voice is not clear. Tibia. This one, this one. You remember knee joint or kneecap, Sajalika?
Ma'am, I can hear you properly.
I was saying that in between this and this, there is one bone. In between your thigh and your leg, there is one bone. So what is the name of the bone? This one. Huh?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Okay, anyone
Tell me.
remember someone? Srijana, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember?
Ma'am Patila.
Patella. It is also known as what?
Kneecap or knee joint.
It is also known as kneecap or knee joint. Understand, Sajalika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, don't forget, huh? Okay, then that's all for today's class. I hope you all are clear about the specimen which I have shown you.